Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Visakhapatnam, Indian Institute of Management Visakhapatnam, in collaboration with IIT Delhi and the Indian Chapter of the Association for Information Systems, INAIS, hosted a full-day paper development workshop for the International Conference on Information Systems, ICIS. According to IIMV officials, ICIS is a prestigious gathering of information systems academicians and practitioners around the world. In the context of ICIS, Indian institutes of national importance have been conducting a yearly paper development workshop in association with the IIS India Chapter to help Indian scholars and researchers. The workshop conducted at IIM Vizag received 59 submissions related to contemporary topics such as artificial intelligence, digital transformation, digital healthcare, cybersecurity, metaverse, quantum computing, sustainability, etc. These were reviewed by leading researchers from premier institutes across the globe. Out of all the submissions, the authors of 11 articles presented their work and received constructive feedback for further development of their paper. IIMV Dean, Admin, Prof. Anuradha MV explained about the institute in the inaugural session. INAIS Vice President and Faculty at IIT Madras Prof. Saji Matthew and INAIS Secretary and Faculty at IIM Nagpur Prof. Sujit Sharma informed the participants about the origin and various activities of the India chapter of IIS and the importance of such workshops in fostering information systems area RE. The keynote address for the event was given by Prof. Arpankar of IIT Delhi, who talked about some of the best practices for writing a good quality research paper. INAIS President and Faculty at IIM Calcutta Prof. Priya Sitaraman delivered a plenary talk on thinking beyond publish or perish aphorism. This was followed by a panel discussion of experts, including Prof. Shankhadeep Banerjee of IIM Bangalore, Prof. Amit Shankar of IIM Visakhapatnam, Prof. Saji Matthew of IIT Madras, Prof. Sujit Sharma of IIM Nagpur, Prof. Neena Pandey of IIM Visakhapatnam and moderated by Prof. Agam Gupta of IIT Delhi. Experts shared their research journey and the nuances of developing a successful career in academia. Paper presentation tracks were chaired by Prof. Srinivas Josula, Prof. Bhavya PS, and Prof. Abhishek Srivastav from IIM Visakhapatnam. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.